What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is the Antutu benchmark comparison between the iPhone 11 Pro Max against the Asus Rog Phone 2. So we have the A13 Bionic versus the Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU, 4GB of RAM versus 8, as this is the Tencent model. This is round 2 comparison between these two phones. They are both on Antutu Benchmark version 8. Which one of these phones will win? Let's find out in this video. So the iPhone 11 Pro Max finished first, and overall it scored higher with over 41,000 points. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the iPhone 11 Pro Max scored higher on each of the categories, and that just shows you that the A13 Bionic is a very powerful CPU. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.